现在就让我们一起来欣赏客家音乐。
Hi there, I'm Joseph Lin, and it's time for another Hakka song on ICRT. And this month, we're going to bring you an album by Matthew Lien, who is an international artist that likes to focus on themes of culture and environmentalism. Now, he put out an album called The Romantic Route 3, which is specific to the Hakka culture and has worked with many different artists, like this one with Li Yongde and Yapi, and a song called 旋转之门 or Revolving Doors. Now, it's a song with two voices of two generations, the elder Li Yongde with an older voice, recalling his long ago youth in the South, and it's contrasted with the youthful voice of Yapi, singing about life today in the North. And you'll be able to hear revolving doors throughout the song, which makes it very interesting. Let's take a listen to 旋转之门, 旋转之门.
Most yeah, 该做的都做过，梦想把太困难度，爱不想爱你打送，有他有钱全部没人给，牛嘅爱公司翻牛嘅，口气个做太 hipster， 老用力 get by way， 眼里高全都是钱，慢慢感觉都爱，情感给改变真感动的，跳摆个全部注意到，全部福利到，身边嘅朋友公开的手，mic trouble double， 看天空燃够，麦红潮 like a jungle，shout out to the NLC， 希望爱我的人能更加爱我。
嘿，这首旋转之门有没有听到？在运用两种迥然不同的声音，一位呢是年轻嘻哈歌手 Yapi， 唱着今日的北部生活，而另外一位呢是有着历尽沧桑之音的李永德，他呢要唱出往日南部的年少时光。这两种声音在一首歌里有北有南有老也有少，唱出了他们的不同点。我们来继续收听。
From the temple to the club, the vintage to the dub, I gotta find the line to define the time. From the old and to the new, gotta look inside of you to connect the lines that define the time.
这首歌除了李永德跟Yapi之外呢，这个马修连恩呢也献唱了一小段哦。It's called 旋转之门，旋转之门。Hope you like it, and we'll see you next time here on We Love Hakka.
客家风情由客家委员会监制。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.